Balik ka makapuso sa mga sports enthusiast diha atong hisgutan ug atong iliilahon kini usa ka pinalahi nga matang sa paugnat sa kusog nga angayan kuno natong suwayan.
Di ba ka pamilyar kining matang sa paugnat sa kusog? Kini ang duwa nga gitawag og Roundnet og dinhi sa Central Visayas dinhi nanukad ang representante sa atong nasud sa umaabot nga Asian Roundnet Federation kon ARF Cup 2023. Ipahigayon ang kompetisyon sa Bali, Indonesia. Sayan ang tangilang preparasyon og inspirasyon sa pagduwa og Roundnet kauban ang naglangkob sa Philippine team.
Og makauban nato karong buntaga makapuso sa programa mga sakop sa Roundnet Philippine Team Jude Scarlett Sumampong, France Navera ug John Erwin Espinas. Mayong buntag ug welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Daghang salamat for joining us this morning. First up, murag kuryoso gid ming tanan unsa man kining Roundnet ug unsa may goal ani nga maong sport.
Alright, so by the way, I am Surgeon Erwin Espinas. I'm from Negros Oriental. By the way, this is an American-produced game by Sir Jeff Nurek. It was invented in 1989, and the sport is actually commonly called as spikeball. It is two teams played of two, and playing it with a small ball and a net placed at the ankle level. And the objective of this game is to hit the ball and the opposing team cannot return the ball. So the points are scored if the opposing team fails to return the ball. The game continues until one of the team reaches the designated number of points. So bale para siyang volleyball na may mix na table tennis.
Talag sa gyud murag something new para sa mga Pilipino. Kamo, Scarlett ug France, unsa may nakapa-inspire ninyo nga mag-cut-on sa Roundnet?
Yes, sir. So at first, it started as a hobby for us since we all came from different backgrounds or athletic backgrounds. We came from different sports. So it started out as a hobby, and eventually the community grew grew bigger. So that's when we started going on competitive leagues as well as national and in international places or as well.
Yes. Ang Roundnet food manggod sir kay na siya teamwork. It also has athleticism and of course ma-practice ang strategy. So it's a very fun and engaging activity na pwede na mabuhat sa tanan, not only sa mga kids or sa mga people na young at heart. So everyone can play this game good.
So dili ra lisod ang pagkat-on ani.
Matod first. The certain lola maka-play gyud.
Wow.
Correct.
Ikaw
It's actually open for all ages, sir.
open for all. Wow.
Yes.
Unsa ikaw Sir Erwin, unsa may naa sa Roundnet nga nagustuhan nimo? You're saying nga murag you come from different mga sports nga mga events ug mga backgrounds pero nagkahiusa mo diri sa Roundnet.
I think it's about the energy and the bonding that you could get on the event. And on the time sa dula, you meet a lot of new people from its different cultures, the interaction while doing the game, and the sport itself is so very enjoyable. Proven din siya kay daghang mga players after the game, they would really say na worth it ang pagdula, ang singot, the hassle, and how we play the game. It's about the sportsmanship and stress reliever good siya. You can go anywhere in the province because daghan na kay mga tawo nga gadulaan ani and daghan po kay organize. That's why kaning around that gadako siya nga gadako, and a lot of people nag-appeal gyud tungod sa tumong sa dula na they meet new friends become a family, like things like those. Munang I love Roundnet yun.
We heard nga
True.
namoy apilan umaabot kuno nga international competition ARF Cup. Kumusta man ang inyong practices na ani.
Yes, go on. Na aming upcoming event this coming September 20 to 25. All the players, Mulakaw sila on 20, and ilang tournament it will be on 21 to 24. So that will be a 3 days event. And ang ato mga players, nag-practice sila doon. They have been practicing sa mga gym. They've been working hard to improve their skills and coordination as a team to prepare the competition. So that will be on September 20 to 25. Let's support our team. Okay, dakong garbo ni sa ato kay it is the first time nga collective di siya nga daghan mga players. Before man gud ang kani nga dula dili lang siya afford sa walay kaya, pero karon murag ni sala tanan katong ganahan mo apil maka-apil.
For you, Scarlett, unsa may pamaagi aron makapakita ang atong mga kaigsuonan sa ilang suporta ngadto sa Roundnet national team?
Yes, sir. So, we would really appreciate it if they can watch through live or show their supports through social media platforms para mas grow ang influence and the community will grow bigger. Also, we accept any kind of support, like even financial and etc. Since we are carrying the national team, sir. So we compose of 24 athletes. So we accept any financial or in any support or any kind of support. So we appreciate it, sir.
Franz,
Yes.
just to cap this off, unsa may mensahe nimo Ma'am Franz sa mga gustong mo try ning maong sport? Unsa po'y message nimo sa mga nagtan-aw nato karon?
Hello sa atong mga viewers. So, katong very curious to really know what Roundnet is, visit mo here diri sa Negros Oriental. And hopefully soon, we can spread the awareness across the country. And if ever that opportunity will come, I would really say go for it, guys, so that you can, of course, have fun and excel while enjoying it at the same time. So, I hope na makadula mo pohon, dili jud mo mag-regret pag makastart na mo.
Yeah.
Puhon-puhon makabisita ta diha sa inyo. So ayan nato ning Roundnet.
Yes.
Kaya ba nato? Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Erwin, Franz, Scarlett sa Roundnet national team. Salamat for joining us ug mubalik pa makapuso ang GMA Regional TV Live.